in the middle of the streets of Kariakoo, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Today I'm going to be doing the $10 challenge, which is equivalent to 25 Tanzanian shillings. So in today's challenge, I'm going to have to accomplish it by making sure that in this money, I am able to eat, buy clothing, use for transport, find an activity, and lastly but not least, buy a present for someone. Now, I'm not sure who I'm going to be selecting the presents to, but I actually have some ideas which I'm going to work on this video so as I can be able to get the good gift for the person. In case you came to Dar es Salaam and haven't visited Kariakoo, you probably haven't seen the real side of Dar es Salaam, because in Dar es Salaam, Kariakoo, we have more than 2,000 to 400,000 people going to visit Kariakoo every day. These are actually only people who visit, with the exception of the people who are actually doing business. So these are just buyers, that's my point. So come along with me while I show you the good side of Kariakoo. Yeah, so starting with, I actually came by and visited this place here. Most of the places in Kariakoo do have these settings nearby whereby you are able to buy mshikaki, and actually I spent 4,000 on this mshikaki. I had to buy 4 mshikakis, and then I bought 4 ndizis, okay, bananas, which actually, as you can see, they are being burnt and being mixed with this it's more of like a street food, street taste. Like they'll add some small lemon and also keep it on the plate for you to eat. Now it depends, sometimes they may fold it for you and then you may go with them, but sometimes they may give you to see and not to eat. I mean to eat, like as you can see, I just had to order first the first two by 2. That was like this one is actually 2,000, yeah, 2,500 one mshikaki and 500 ndizi, so it's like 1,000, so I had to even take some more and added more because I was like, oh my god, I need more for this. And then also suddenly enough, I saw this, oh my god, this good juice these guys are selling, and I wouldn't really like say no to it, so I had to get the juice too, because who doesn't really want to get a good juice while eating some street food of Kariakoo? Yeah, so if you actually tend to come to Kariakoo, please can you at least if you see them, but just be careful, because some of those people who are actually selling them, they're selling them good, but if you're not used to the street foods, you understand what's going to happen. You're gonna need some metronidazole, yeah, some antibiotics. Yes, so I did get myself with I got comfortable and also I had to take some juices, as I said. As you can see, the juices are actually very good and in a very clean environment made, so you shouldn't be scared that much, just to be careful. And remember, there will be different kind of juices, but actually you can also get some options of having some fruits if you really want, because it's not only food that's available. You can actually choose to get some fruits which actually sold 1,000. One day I'm gonna show you that, but for today I just got myself a juice and it was super comfortable. I wouldn't wait to finish it. So let's continue walking and finishing the the $10 challenge, and let's get ourselves something to wear, a certain cloth that I was just looking on a price that I can't break my bank, with a price almost going to around 5,000, 6,000 or 4,000. That will be a better price. Now today is a Sunday, by the way, if you're wondering, and that's why we have less movement. Kariakoo is supposed to be it's actually very congested compared to what you guys are seeing right now. At this time when I'm walking in town, it's even not congested. You wouldn't even get time to record this. That's why I chose a Sunday, because the Sunday you have less people. And I managed finally to get something surprising. It's a hat. Yes, it was a hat for almost around 5,000, 4,500. Yeah, it was 5,000, and that hat was good. As you can see, I just had to choose something that is actually more not cultural exactly, because this is not African culture. It's more of a Western culture, like hats. You can see them. There's so many of them, and they're kind of trending nowadays. So I thought, like, why not just get myself something like this, and maybe I might look good or might not. But you tell me if I was right on choosing something as small as this on my budget. But it's just something to make it happen within our budget, 5,000. As you can see, looking great, right? Yeah, give me some point. Yeah, looking great. So I did manage to get something within our budget, and then I continued walking around exploring Kariakoo. Of course, I've been exploring since day one, so if you haven't seen my other videos too about going around Kariakoo, I actually did that. So make sure check that out and things you need to know about Kariakoo if you haven't really known anything, and about the streets of Kariakoo, how they're divided, and the place where to get what and what. I did that video too, so you go and check that out. Until then, let's continue and let's go and get a gift for someone. I actually got an idea today. So the big idea was, in today's gift, I'm gonna be choosing my mom. Yeah, as you heard it, I'm gonna choose my mom. I'm gonna buy a gift from my mother, because the day I'm making this video is the day that is actually her birthday. So we are gonna choose a we're gonna choose a gift for my mother. Let me just say it slowly and special. So maybe I might not be that good because I don't even know her favorite color. So let's just walk around Kariakoo and see what exactly Kariakoo has got to offer for mothers. And it's not a Mother's Day, but it's a mother special since it's her birthday. Let's go and see around what exactly the Kariakoo has got to offer. And I hope I will find. Okay, finally, yes, I did. I got something here. I think this is gonna suit her. I don't know the color, so I just had to choose a black and white, because I think everyone likes black and white, because we are black Africans. Okay, don't mark me, I'm not something else. I'm just saying that I think black and white would have been better, but the other colors kind of look childish, so I didn't want to be childish, because my second present is gonna be more childish than the first one. So I just picked something random and I paid 1,000 for that. It was very cheap compared to the supermarket. You would find that for almost 5,000. Someone selling you how should I call it, a prop? Is it called a prop? Girls call that. And they would sell you for more than 1,000. But actually, luckily enough, I got it for 1,000. So let's get another gift, because I think just something for 1,000 is not really. Of course, a gift is a gift, but I think it's not yet. Like, we need to find something more, isn't it? Like, would you? Yeah, you got me right, exactly. So I got my mother a doll. Yeah, as you can see, it's just something memorable, something very not natural, something like something normal, like something that can be remembered rather than something that's perishable. So I got her a doll, and this one cost us around 4,500. Yeah, 4,500 with that doll, and I hope it's not gonna break a bank, because we still have a lot to do within this budget. We have got to find a place where we're gonna do an activity, and the transportation here from Kariakoo to that place that I want to do the activity, it's quite far away, guys. So if you really want to do this too, you have to understand that that place is quite far away, and the transportation also took a lot of from our pocket, and that's around 5,000. Like 5,000 for real. 5,000 is so much. Like, it took a crunch. Like, it's just like buying another gift already, which is very expensive, but as long as you're gonna get to do it, let's go and do it. So let's go and get on activities. But apart from that, let's explore, right? Let's explore before we finish going to the activities, because activities is gonna be there always. So let's just go and let's explore and let's go to the activity. So you shouldn't wonder, after I got the gifts, I did deliver the gifts to my mother, and she was very happy, though I didn't get the part of recording her reaction. But probably maybe next time we can get her in the screen, and probably we will actually, if you have been following, you already have seen her in some of the videos. I'm not gonna say which one, but you have seen her already. So yeah, let's get to the part where I climb this thing. Finally, we have arrived at our place where actually it's called Dar es Salaam Zoo. I think most of people have known that place. It's called Dar es Salaam Zoo, and in Dar es Salaam Zoo there are a lot of activities to do here, but the main activity that we're here today, we are coming here to climb a horse, guys. Like a horse. Like, I once wanted to climb a horse and a donkey, and what again was that? And a camel, but I failed. But today we are going to be climbing a donkey. We're going to be climbing a horse. Sad enough, I tried to ask if I would climb a camel too, so as I could fit my budget in. Like, I did two activities at the same time, climbing a donkey and climbing a camel. But sad enough, it wasn't really ideal, because the camel was sick, so we had to say bye-bye to the camel and get the ride of the horse. But at least we finally concluded our video with a good hit of a 10 US dollars, right? It was 10 US dollars challenge, and we completed it very good because we actually used all the money. You know, in Tanzania, actually, fun fact, in Tanzania our currency is currently low, and with the past it's been low. Yeah, it's been low. So excuse me, that cough. So with the 10 US dollars challenge, that's quite expensive to spend such a money in for just a day, especially for someone who is actually living far away from town. But if you're actually staying in town, it's small. Now I think for Tanzanian, they understand that the 10 US dollar challenge will be like quite like drinking water to us, because our money is low, so we have cheap things, as you can see. Yeah, so it was a complete target and a complete thing. I accomplished the 10 US dollar challenge. And finally, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions, and by the way, I also did other videos about different stuffs, and I'm trying to make more awesome videos. So subscribe, hit the comment, give me some suggestions just down there. Give me some suggestions. Until then, see you next time, and peace out and bye bye.